Welcome back, everybody. I've got another quick one for you. Let's say you want to hang a painting of your girlfriend in your house, but you can't afford to hire a painter, and you don't have time to wait around for the paint to dry because she's coming over tonight. If so, this is the Affinity Photo tutorial for you. I started with this image of a lovely young lady I got from pixabay.com. You may want to find a picture of that special someone in your life before they come over tonight. First, I'm going to duplicate this layer so I have it handy if I screw anything up. I'll right-click on the layer and select Duplicate. You can tell from this little icon on the side of the layer that this is an image. We're going to change it to a pixel layer by right-clicking on the layer and selecting Rasterize. Okay, now up in the top left corner, there's a button to switch our studio from our normal photo persona to the tone mapping persona. Click on that and you'll see the whole studio change. You'll see the default presets to the left. If you click on each of them, you'll see the change on the bigger image in the center. Then, if you go up to the top left, you can change to some other categories. These all came with my upgrade to Affinity Photo version 2.5. I'll run through several of them real quick here to see which I like best for this particular image. I think I'll go with Binary Desires. It's got a nice, bright, almost painted look to it, I think. You can change some of the settings on the right. I'll lower the local contrast some. And I'll raise the black point up a bit. I think that looks good. I'll click Apply to bake in my changes. Okay. The next thing I'm going to do is apply a little texture to my image. I found this nice cracked paint image on texturelabs.org and I've opened it already. I'll copy it by selecting Command or Control C. Then, I'll go onto my project and select Command or Control V to paste. Then, I'll go to my blend modes at the top of the Layers panel and I'll select one of these in the top section. I think darker color looks best in this instance. Now, I have one more texture to add. It's an image of a canvas that I also got from texturelabs.com. We'll copy it with Ctrl-C and paste it into our project with Ctrl-V. I'll use my blend modes once again, but this time I think I'll go with Multiply. It looks a little better to me. Alright, that's about it for today. If you learned something and want to see more of this kind of content, please click those like and subscribe buttons. And if you're feeling generous, this channel runs on caffeine. There's a link to buy me a cup of coffee in the descriptions. Not necessary, but certainly appreciated. Have a great day, everyone.